Today we're showing you a 1997 John Deere 770 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. It's a nice clean tractor. Paint's good on it. Obviously has a little age on it, but the hours are good on it, and the paint's in real nice shape good as well. So very nice find here. Again, it is the John Deere 770 is the model number. It does have the four-wheel drive front axle. Has the turf tires on it. You have a little damage here in the front grille, but overall, very nice tractor. Has the the fixed rollover bar on it. Hitch, top link, 540 PTO, so you can run a tiller, box blade, brush hog, finish mower, anything of that nature. Obviously, the pre-emission tractor has none of the Tier 4 emissions. Looks like the current hours are 873.5. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.